Alright guys, we're going to be going, looking out for this semi-truck while we're up in the air.
I appreciate you, brother, for everything. What's going on, Mother Truckers? I just want to preface this correctly. Basically, a subscriber got his 2020 389 Pete stolen in the Miami area, and it didn't take much. So we're going to go to the location where it was stolen, the location where they took off the tracker, and then we're going to jump on a helicopter to see if we could just see anything. But here are some pictures of this truck. It's a Pete. It got into a low accident, and there's a couple dents on the tanks, so it's easy to see. But honest truth is, it doesn't take much time. It might not even be in the country anymore. So on 170th and Northwest 82nd Street, there's a lot of truck drivers parking. Alright, so our subscriber parked here at 2 o'clock in the morning, and by 3:06 his truck was gone. They drove it 11 miles. That's where they took off the tracker, in Hallandale Beach, Florida. And so we're going to check the industrial area out. Wish me luck. There are some trucks here. Yeah, definitely this isn't somewhere you want to park your truck. So they take his semi-truck to the back of that alley right there, and it's so dark, and that's where they found the tracker and they threw it out. This is the exact location where they took off the tracker. I'm gonna see if we can find remnants of it. I'm sure we won't, and it's dark out here, but I just want to, I don't know, possibly get lucky. But when they're doing something like this, they do it very, very quickly. Yeah, I mean, I've been looking now for about 30-40 minutes. I don't see anything. You know, if you've ever seen it, it just looks like a little black piece with wires. That's... Yeah, I mean, it's like trying to find a needle in a haystack. Wait a minute. Wait. No, are you serious? What is this? What is this? Is this what I think it is? Looking at this now, I think it looks like probably a piece to a light or something. But I want to check it with the mechanic here and see if it is to a light. It doesn't look like it's a tracker. A tracker would look more boxy. I was doing my own investigation.
Don't see the plug for it. It can be for a light, it can be for a sensor.
So a sensor?
Yeah, like a bumper sensor.
Okay, so this is a bumper sensor of some sort.
Wire.
Okay, light wire? No, thank you so much.
Yeah.
I appreciate that.
Yeah.
We're finding out that there's a lot of semi-trucks that are being stolen. And one of your good friends, Tom?
Yes, a friend of ours that's flown with us several times came up and called us today to try to help him find his Peterbilt car carrier, and it was just stolen a couple days ago. And we searched over 17 different locations here in South Florida that store trucks.
Alright guys, we're going to be going, looking out for this semi-truck while we're up in the air.
I appreciate you, brother, for everything. Hey Mother Truckers, so we flew around for about an hour or so looking at some storages, looking at some places that we thought it could be near where the tracker was taken off, and we weren't successful at all. So, you know, Mother Truckers, just know if you're going to park out here, you know, be careful, stay in your truck, stay at the service plaza, stay at the truck stop, but just make sure that you're in your truck and you're around other trucks. But it doesn't take much. They know that they're watching you, and if you're gone for a few hours, it doesn't take them more than a few minutes to take your truck, and after a couple days it might be in another country. But Mother Truckers, you know, if you see this 2020 389 Pete, it's red with the red car hauler on it with bent tanks, hit me up at the AsianMai Show at gmail.com.